Today we are going to perform an activity on probability about tossing a coin. We all know what probability is. Probability is favorable outcome or total outcome.
When we toss a coin, there are two outcomes. Either it will be head or it will be tail. Here we have two total outcomes, two, head or tail.
Now we will find the probability of upping a head.